It is said that health is a complete harmony of the body, mind, and spirit. On Friday, the facilitator of the Soufriere Regional Development Foundation's 9th Symposium, Dr. Tanya Destang-Bobra, explained to stakeholders that one can experience joy and success in both their professional and personal lives and enjoy healthy and vibrant bodies once they prioritize their health.
In order to be the change in the community, we're going to be the change in our lives. We're going to be selfish for this morning. So everybody thinks about health, and we think about the physical alone. There's the mental and emotional aspect, and there's the spiritual aspect that we don't talk about enough with our people. When I mean our people, I call about the people who come in and the people in our community. As physicians, we're afraid to talk about that. As healthcare workers, we're afraid to say that we pray, or that we believe in something higher than ourselves. We're afraid to talk about the mental health and say, listen, I personally burnt out twice.
The symposiums being undertaken fall under the Soufriere 2040 Vision Plan project. That is, an initiative geared at formulating a viable 20-year plan for the community of Soufriere. The Health and Wellness Symposium aimed to mobilize stakeholders in the health sector in order to propel Soufriere to higher heights. Dr. Destang-Bobra, in a very interactive session, engaged health educators, nurses, doctors, and other healthcare practitioners and urged them to make connections among all things in the lives of their patients, body, mind, and soul. MP for Soufriere, Emma Hippolyte, reckoned that during the COVID-19 pandemic, people saw the importance of ensuring that all aspects of health were taken care of.
The message was, you're having your breakfast. There are a lot of people who have nothing to eat. And that was what inspired me to have my first telephone for single mothers. I saw it as a reaction, and immediately I moved from thinking of self to thinking of others. And I think that was the healing point for me. And as I see it as well from the message that you've prepared, and it's a community message that we need to share. And it is through that sharing that we show that we care. And if we focus on others, then we focus on self in the end. We benefit from it.
The facilitator shared that in her practice as a medical professional, she has found that the body joy method works the best. Dr. Destang-Bobra, in turn, challenged all participants to make small changes in their lives, such as their sleep patterns and diets. She says once the professionals have mastered that, then they will better be able to deal with and care for their patients, who in turn will share these changes with friends and loved ones. From the Soufriere Regional Development Foundation, I am Genevieve Gonzague reporting.